In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zestimate for your property on Zillow desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what the numbers mean, so you can confidently view your home's estimated value. First, open your desktop browser and go to Zillow.com. Using a desktop makes it easier to see the full property page and all the details at a glance. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a large search bar. Type your full property address there. Include the street number, the street name, and your city, plus the state or zip code. If your home is part of a multi-unit building, be sure to include the unit number so you land on the exact property. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of matching results. Click the one that precisely matches your address. If multiple options appear, select the one that aligns with your street spelling and location, and confirm the map pin lines up with your home. This takes you to the Property Details page. Near the top, you should see the Zestimate displayed prominently, usually alongside other key information like price history, tax details, and home facts. If the Zestimate is available for that address, that's where it will appear. You may also see an estimated sale range, which gives a high and low number based on comparable homes in the area. Think of the range as a likely window where your value could land given recent market data. Let's talk about what the Zestimate is. It's an automated estimate of your home's value calculated by Zillow using public records, MLS feeds, home characteristics, and local market trends. It's designed to give a general valuation, not a professional appraisal. The number can change over time as new sales close, records update, or market conditions shift. Use it as a helpful benchmark, especially when you're curious about value movement, but pair it with local knowledge when making big decisions. If you don't see a Zestimate on your property page, don't worry. Sometimes Zillow doesn't have enough data to produce a confident estimate, or the home's details and public records may be incomplete. In those cases, you may see that no Zestimate is available. That's a data limitation on Zillow's end rather than a problem with your search. It can improve as more information becomes available, so checking back later can be useful. That's all there is to it. Head to Zillow, enter your full address, choose the correct result, and look near the top of the property page for the Zestimate and any sale range. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find your home's value estimate on desktop.